The Daily Code Snippet. Video file formats consist of a video container and a video codec. The container holds the compressed video coded data alongside its audio coded data. The container also has all the metadata about the file. And the video codec, which comes from enCOde/DECode, is the program that can decode the compressed data. The pairing of different container formats and codecs influence what programs and devices are compatible with the file. Typically, the file extension name will clue you in as to what is the appropriate program that can open the file. So, for example, .mov is a QuickTime movie format and was developed for that application. Common video container formats include .avi, .mp4, and .mov, while common video codecs include H.264, MPEG-4, and DivX. The most efficient codec is HEVC or H.265. It is used to compress 8K UHD video, but because it requires a licensing fee, it is not compatible or supported by most devices or browsers. So the more common codecs for web are VP8 or VP9. The best video format depends on your need to balance video quality against the size of the video. Video is typically stored using lossy compression to keep file sizes as small as possible. We will delve into some of these formats next time. Presented by Designers Learn Code.